Welcome to today's What Will Move the Market show. I'm your host Prem. It's Tuesday, October 14th, 2025, and here is everything you need to know as the markets open for today. US stocks staged a solid rebound on Monday after Friday's sell-off rocked major indexes. The Dow rose 1.3% to close at 46,067. The S&P 500 gained 1.6% to finish at 6,654, and the Nasdaq Composite jumped 2.2% to end at 22,695. The bounce was driven by a reassuring message from President Trump over the weekend downplaying trade tensions with China, which eased investor fears of escalating tariffs. Technology names led the charge with Nvidia and Apple among the top gainers, while energy stocks lagged after oil slipped once again. After hours, earnings from JP Morgan Chase beat expectations and lifted bank futures. Overnight, Indian ADRs were broadly positive. Infosys ADR rose 1.21%, Wipro ADR added 1.13%, HDFC Bank ADR climbed 0.75%, and ICICI Bank ADR ticked up 0.19%. This steady uptick in key ADRs offers a constructive cue for domestic investors as global risk appetite improves. Asian bourses were mixed in early trade. The Nikkei 225 fell 1.01% to close at 48,089. The Hang Seng dropped 1.52% to 25,890, and the Shanghai Composite edged down 0.19% to 3,890. Meanwhile, the Gift Nifty rose 0.18% to 25,352, signaling a modest positive open for the Indian market. No major Asian macro releases today, but traders are watching Chinese retail sales data later this week. Geopolitical developments remain in focus after a peace summit in Egypt yielded progress on an Israel-Hamas ceasefire deal and plans for hostage releases, which eased broader risk-off sentiment. In the US, Fed policymakers reiterated their commitment to data-dependent rate cuts, but no fresh guidance emerged overnight. Crude oil continues to trade near $60 amid mixed supply signals from OPEC+. No major Trump messages impacting India today. Domestically, attention turns to today's release of the UK Labour Report and German ZEW surveys, which could influence FII flows into India. The RBI's monthly bulletin is due later this week, and eyes are on any commentary regarding liquidity operations. Sector-wise, auto stocks gained from overnight cues on easing commodity costs, while IT counters look to build on the ADR strength. No new SEBI F&O guidelines this morning. For Nifty 50, immediate support lies at 25,200, with resistance near 25,500. Bank Nifty trades with support at 43,500 and resistance at 44,200. A break above these zones could trigger momentum trades in selective heavyweights. Crude oil futures rose 1.15% to $59.58 a barrel, while gold climbed 3.14% to $4,125 per ounce, and silver surged nearly 7% to $50.55. Base metals also saw gains on supply concerns. With global sentiment improving, traders may look for early strength in IT stocks on ADR cues, but maintain stop-loss discipline near the morning pivot. Bank Nifty's support zone offers a tactical long opportunity for intraday traders if it holds. Stay nimble around global data triggers later in the day. Stay tuned for the evening wrap and send in your questions.